Is this a bad idea? Probably. Are you doing it anyway? Yes. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you've watched like any of my videos in the past, chances are you've probably seen this desk back here before. Obviously, you know by the title of this video what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be giving this desk a little bit of a glow up. It's a cute little desk. It's nice and compact. It fits perfectly in this little corner, but it's brown. And literally everything else in the room is white. The trim is white, the desk is white, the bedding is white, the bed frame is white, the dresser's white, this is white, everything's white. And then we have one brown guy back there, and nothing against brown, it's just it doesn't match anything. In my videos, I always try and hide it or cover it up because it doesn't match, and I feel like it just kind of brings everything down to a darker level, and I don't like it. So I'm just gonna be painting it white, giving it a little glow up. But I've also never painted anything to this level before, so should be interesting. I have a bad feeling it's gonna take longer than I want it to. I'm just at the end of a cold, so I'll try to keep the sniffles to a minimum. I feel like I should just get started because I've been procrastinating this all day and it's already like 3 o'clock. The sun's gonna go down and I'm not even gonna get this started. So I'm gonna clear the desk off. We'll see where we're at from there. Also, since I'm super professional, I picked up this, I almost called it a rolling pin, this paint roller from the dollar store. It's just like a foam one. I don't know anything about paint rollers, so hopefully this will be all right. I got 2 extra rollers in case something happens with this guy. Then just a plastic paint tray, obviously, because we need something to roll the paint out in, yeah?
I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure.
Okay guys, so my sister was just in here and she was showing us bread and stuff. I'm just sanding this down really quickly, like not sanding it down a lot, just enough so that there's a bit of roughness to it so that the paint will stick a little bit better, because obviously this isn't real wood. It's like that, like, what do you call this? Like,
no, it's not plywood.
It's like cork. It's like, I don't know what it is.
I don't know.
Did you say barnacle board?
Barnacle board. Particle board, some sort.
I don't know, it's like
with a laminate on it.
Yeah, it's like that stuff that you get from like everything that's like from IKEA is like made out of this. It's not like hunks of wood. It's like it looks like wood chips all pressed together.
Particle board.
So we don't want to. I don't want to like sand it down like crazy. So I'm just doing like just enough like on the surface so that it's not like super smooth, you know. So I'm just gonna have to go and do this entire thing, I guess. It's gonna take a while.
Been so close before. You were truly my love, but it was over so fast. Just one thing to discover.
Alright, we've got her all scratched up, all wiped down. Thanks to my nan for letting me have this paint so that I wouldn't have to buy any. We're using Blue Moose. Blue Moose is a brand where like it takes like scraps of other paint and mixes it together. I could have that wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's the idea behind. Oh, recycled paint, yeah. I'm pretty sure that's the idea behind this bad boy. Ooh, vanilla scent, nice. Let's do it, folks. I'm scared. I've been informed that this has to be shaken, not stirred.
I had to stir it up too.
Shaken and stirred?
This is why you make things of metal. We could have had it open in one chance. There we go.
Oh, there's the paint.
Nice and easy.
How much do you think I should put?
That's probably good for now. It's a lot of...
It's kind of chunky.
Very thick, isn't it?
Don't want to get paint on my slippers. Is this a bad idea? Probably. Are you doing it anyway? Yes. We're doing the corners first.
Up and
Oh shoot!
What?
I got it on the black part. It wasn't supposed to get on the black part.
What black part?
The black part on the back.
Just paint it.
Should I just paint it now?
But yeah, you should have taped that off. Same with that other black part.
Like this part?
Yeah, you should tape that off, top and bottom.
We are professionals.
Like get a screwdriver and take out those rollers.
No.
Take those rollers and paint all over them.
No. No.
No?
Alright.
You could tape
Listening to the voice of reason, we're getting tape. okay, I don't know how the footage looks right now because I'm not using a viewfinder, we're just winging it. It is the next day, actually it's the next night. Okay, anytime I see anybody painting anything on YouTube, they're just like, oh yeah, it's fine, let's just paint it in the house. They never say anything about the smell. So last night, my room was all stunk up, so today we're moving this operation to the garage. I don't know if it's the paint that we used, I don't know if it's just paint in general, but it stinks. Tyler's also gonna help me, but he doesn't want to be on camera, so we're gonna have to try and figure out a way to do this while he's not in the frame.
I'm wearing funny pajamas.
He's wearing my pajamas because he didn't want to get his pants dirty. So yeah, enjoy this time-lapse footage.
It's one way or the other. No way in between.
Alright guys, so it's actually been about a week since I started this video and we're finally done! Look at it over there! I did go ahead and paint a third coat of paint on it, but obviously, you know, the same thing gets a little redundant after a while, so I didn't bother filming it. So yeah, now we're just left with the task of just decorating it, making it look cute. So I'm really happy with the color. It looks great, but as you can probably tell, I did get some paint in some like weird spots, but it will literally just scratch right off. Going along with the scratching off theme, I know that this paint will scratch off if like something really rough goes against it, so that kind of sucks, but I mean, is it perfect? No. Is it good enough? Yes. And you know what? That's a high enough goal to strive for me. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Aside from the weird vanilla paint scent smell that's going on in my room right now, things are going well. I feel like already you can tell like it's just brighter back there. I'm gonna go ahead and just put everything back up on the desk and make sure it looks all cute and nice, and we'll shoot a before and after. Let's go.
I ain't getting any younger. You will stay forever a dream. You were truly mine, but it was over so fast. Just one thing to discover. It was never meant to last. So throw it on the fire. Let us use the open door. We're at the end of the rainbow now.
Alright folks, that is just checking to make sure that the microphone was on there. That's gonna be the end of today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed it. I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. I think it's brighter and it looks a lot better now. Some of you might be wondering like, why didn't I just buy like a cheap desk again from IKEA? I mean, like, I could have done that, but I literally only spent like $3 instead of spending like $30 or $40 on just like painting this desk, because all I had to buy was the rollers. Because my nan already had the paint, I already had the desk, and there's literally nothing wrong with the desk, so I mean, like, why throw it away if there's nothing wrong with it? I just gave it a little glow up. I hope this encourages you to repurpose some of your things that you may not be super happy with. Repurposing things can be like, it's a little bit of work sometimes, but it's cheap and you get the same effect as you would if you bought something new. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you guys very soon with a new video. And don't forget to check out my vlog channel. It'll be linked in the description box below. I've been posting 2 vlogs a week over on my vlog channel, so make sure to go check that out. And don't forget to hit up my Instagram accounts and all the other social medias. I do TikTok and all kinds of stuff. So everything will be linked in the description box below. But of course, if you just want to find me, search me up, it's always just at Fallon Fraser. So I will see you guys on Instagram and all the social medias, and I'll see you guys here in a few days.